it to my bed. I know we ain't gon' make it to my bed, no. You know we ain't gon' make it to my.
Okay, I just wanted to show how this almost like doubled in size pretty much. First, I'm just gonna prep the skin with some of my baby skin, the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. And these beauty blenders are actually so pretty, I don't even want to use them. If you're wondering where I got my top from, which you might not be able to see much of, but I am wearing a top, just so you guys know. I'm not naked down here, if you can't see it. But if you can, I got this top from Tiger Fox Boutique. And I will link a code down below or somewhere on the screen so you guys can actually get 15% off if you want to purchase something from their boutique. And I'll leave all the information in the description box. I flip my hair a lot and it kind of irritates me when I realize what I'm doing. I think I just hate my hair on my neck, like touching my neck. I don't like anything on my neck. If you know me, you know I do not even like to be touched on my neck. I don't like to be touched much at all, but especially not on my neck. I'm not even going to tell you why, but just don't touch my neck. Yeah, I can just make another. Well, look at you, boo-boo. Go ahead then, make another, because I am taking this one. Yeah, this beauty blender, I like it. I really like it. Thanks, Slay Bella. Slay Bella. I got these from Slay Bella. If I didn't mention it already. These are from Slay Bella. All of these are. It's just one pack. They are a small online boutique. You can find them on Instagram. I will post all these people I'm talking about in the description box, on the screen, everything. This is Slay Bella. The shirt is Tiger Fox Boutique. And I believe that's it for everything that I'm going to mention. But these don't have a discount code, but they do have a lot of very good makeup products. They have a lot of even random things on there. You guys should just check out their boutique. They have a lot of random things and then a lot of useful things. They are random, but they're useful. They're very useful. This is going to irritate me. This is, yeah, you gotta go. You gotta do something, buddy. Oh my God, my thumb hurts so bad, and you don't realize how much you use your thumb until you f it up. I actually have all my crystals and everything sitting here with me, and I usually keep this on the shelf that I have for my sister and her pictures and her urn and all that, but I forgot how much I really needed these more close to me. I usually walk past that every day and just pick them up and hold them and just kind of take in their energy for a second, and hopefully that'll get me through the day. But I feel like if I'm sitting here filming with it, I can have a more successful video, more talking, more informative video. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Maybe it's not working. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop brow gel in black and brown, and I will say I don't really like the consistency of this stuff. It is very, like, it looks like it's supposed to be smooth, but it really breaks off and it's chunky and it doesn't really stick together once I get it on the brush. I don't want to sit here and really waste all the space in my phone filming this, so when I come back, my brows will be done and I'll be doing my contour, concealer, and all that. So, see you guys in a second. I finished my brows. I'm just going to contour with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade Deep Golden, 368 Deep Golden. And for concealer, I am going to be using my Maybelline Master Concealer. I'm using a lot of Maybelline right now. In the shade 50 Medium Deep. But I'm also going to be using the Maybelline, I don't know what this one is. I think this is the Fit Me as well, just because it looks like the rest of that packaging. I'm using this in the shade 40 Caramel. I'm going to use both of them because I like the golden undertones of this, and this one's more of like a peachy undertone, and I like to put those together with my skin. I honestly hate doing this all at the same time. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not going to do that at the same time. I'm going to blend this out first. Okay, I'm going to use the pink one with this. Once I'm done placing all the wet, I'm going to then set everything with a dry. And I don't know what that trick is that when women do the dark contour on the lips. Does it make it look bigger or something? What does that do? I don't know. Do my lips look bigger? Did it do anything at all? Like right under my eye is where I'm going to put that more peachy toned concealer. That's because that is like the darkest part of my face is under my eyes right there. So this one's more brightening to place here. And then with the more golden one, I'm gonna put that pretty much right under in the other parts that I don't really care to be too much brighter. Just dab the excess that I have on my fingers on my chin just because I don't want to waste it. But next I'm just gonna take the more golden one. As you can see, it's like really, you can tell the difference. Way more golden. I honestly hate when I get makeup on my nose just because it does not blend well at all. Like, my pores are so huge on my nose. You might not be able to tell on camera, but my pores in this area are humongous. And I think it runs in the family. But no me gusta. Not at all. I don't like it at all. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Caramel Toffee. And if you're wondering why I'm just looking at this, is because I seriously broke the bad boy. That's probably why. I'm gonna set the darker foundation with that same contouring palette I just showed you. Next, I'm going to get, what is it? My Shine Free Loose Powder from Maybelline, New York. Like everything else, pretty much, almost. And so I'm going to just go into my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. And this is in Mellow Wine. And my skin tone can sort of get away with these peachy, pinky ones without looking too clown-like, if that makes sense to you. Because if you guys see, like, you'll use some really reddish or really pinkish ones that will just completely wipe you out. That's this one for me. It's the LA Colors Rad Rouge blush. And this is in the shade Awesome. It's a little too mauvey pink for my skin tone, and I prefer this one over it. If you can see the difference, I'm sure you can. This is more of a peachy blush, and this is more mauve pinkish. It doesn't show up well. This one doesn't, it doesn't do well on my skin tone. I honestly don't know what I'm going to be doing with my eyes. Do know, but I don't know. I know that it is going to be a red sort of fall look, and I am using both my ColourPop Yes Please palette and my Soft Glam my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So I think I'm going to go into this Note to Self. Just kind of dust that along the outer corners onto the crease. I might just layer this Rustic on top of it, just because I feel like, yeah, the Rustic is a more deeper shade, honestly. More of a match together. What'd you do?
I heard the Batman sound.
So just packing a bit of this color onto the brush, the mulberry color, I'm going to just sort of sweep this all the way across the crease. I just dipped into the Spoiled in the ColourPop palette. So now I'm going to take my concealer brush, or the little pointed brush that I use for this. I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. And I just might speed through this because you guys have seen me do it a million times. Okay, so I cut my crease and I used the orange soda from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to set that on top, and then I just used my little, this is Rimmel London Lasting Finish lip contouring pencil. It's just a lip liner in the color Wine. It's in the shade Wine, and I just pretty much did a wing liner on my eye. I only did this eye so far, but I don't really like the color payout of that because it is, just as it says, a wine-ish color. And I'm going to want more of a reddish color. I want more red. This is a process. Oh, I think I'm gonna do that instead of what I was going to do, which is going to take this Wet n Wild lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, and I was going to just go right on top of that line. I could actually just take this Spoiled shade and pack it right on top of where I put that lip liner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce. I am going to be taking this Jasmine Labelle metallic liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to take my Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, spread that setting spray, and then after that you are finished with the entire look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Comment down below if you did, like it, tell your friends, subscribe. Yeah, do all that jazz, guys. I'm really feeling this red eye too. All this red.
Yeah. Champagne with breakfast while I'm yawning. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. Lord forgive me, I can't take things slowly. I'm going on them once I get going. She's trying to take it all.